Game plan this morning, we said, was try to nibble short side. Usually won't make sense against a strong push day like yesterday, but we felt that the odds favored after a really big day for consolidation, and that we would have just as good odds shorting as we are buying. Normally that's not the case, but because we had such a huge day yesterday upside, we felt today was, certainly an advantage to just hope we could get away with some scalp short side. A reminder, we're not thinking about a big plunge like yesterday. Just that it would be a two-way day and you could play either side likely. You could do just as well nibbling on the shorts. When everybody's talking 82s, we're going 82s, 83s. I want to fade that mentality. We said that bright and early this morning. We've got a very low volume day. We know we've got magnets in this range from 75 to 73. And we get down into that zone, anything below it is a gift. And we really cannot rely on the blue line today. It's flattening out. That tells us it's more of a range day. NASDAQ did a sweeper move late day and nothing. So we're range bound. And we're taking a breather. We said today we need a breather. So normally morning after trend day, we like it to run hard. We're looking at the range we're in. We're saying, well, maybe not. Got tails up here, you got tails down here, 30-minute chart trying to figure out what it wants to do. And right where we should be. Market just trying to figure out what do I want to do. Had a good strong push yesterday. Had two of them. And we're digesting yesterday's move. So you certainly can't get overly bearish after this kind of a push, but neither can you get overly aggressive about the long side. We're coming into balance. Yesterday's push tells us, okay, found support. And we know that we're up here in the top end, and we've gone from, one end overdone to the other end. So right now we're just consolidating that move. Could it get up to that 82 or 83? Of course. Will it? Who knows? Need some time first. Need some kind of news to get it going. So in the meantime, after a day like yesterday, you got to play scalp type trades. Don't overdo it. First thing we said this morning, most traders will overtrade today. Longs will want too much and shorts will want too much. And then the natural meeting place is probably going to be around 74, in between those two gaps, the late close and the normal close. So if you have had a good day already, just scalping and playing either side, figuring it's not going to go anyplace, lock up. Don't risk a substantial portion of what you've already made. Don't give it back. You cannot force this. And a day like today, you cannot make things happen that aren't there. So you'll defer backwards to just a little bit deeper chart, like a 10. Hey, it was working yesterday, so why not? and then keep an eye on a little bit deeper one. See where that support comes in. Hard to believe we're going to get a big breakdown. So nibble type day. And assume that we've got range trading. $78 we'd said last night should be our assumed resistance. Got a point above it, and that's been it. And for now, this is range trading. Just understand that you have to digest these big moves. They don't just come along and every day get a 30-point trade. So the most important thing is to come in today with realistic expectation. Yep, exactly. Thank you, Zeke.